everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for September 2nd through September 8th. I feel like, in my opinion, Walgreens hasn't been very good at all for the last several weeks. Usually I try to do second hauls for you guys, but I feel like I don't need to go back to the store to do a second haul. But, yeah, so I'm here to share with you guys what deals you guys can get at Walgreens. Now right here they have the deals of the week. They got 2-for-1 Kit Kat bars and Reese's candy. They have the Post or Quaker cereal for $1.88. Now we do have those dollar off of 2 coupons that are in the 8.5 Retail Me Not. You guys would end up paying $2.76 for both of those, or $1.38, which is a pretty good deal. Here they have the Gillette 3, or it's probably the Gillette 3 or the G3 or the G5 razors for $6.99. There's that dollar off coupon in the P&G that we have, and then you guys will be getting a $5 registry reward, making them 99 cents. Now some stores do have a $2 off Peelies. If you guys look for that, making them free. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. Not much going on in the whole food situation. Like, I feel like Walgreens is just not a great place to coupon at. I mean, sometimes it's nice, but sometimes, you know, I just wish we'd had some really good deals, and there hasn't been any good deals really worth dropping everything for. I do know there is a dollar off of 2 for the Schneider's pretzels. Here they got Skinny Pop popcorn. In the 7.15 Retail Me Not, we have a dollar off of 1 coupon. You guys could use those. Those are 2 for $6. You guys use those two $1 off coupons. You guys would end up getting them for $2 a piece. Now here they got Scott's Scott's bath tissue. And then the paper towels, I don't think those are the ones we can use coupons for, but those are 2 for $6. So they do got the baggies. I know some people need that stuff for school. Those are 99 cents with the in-store coupon. Here they got the Febreze 2 for $6. Now we do have those buy one get one free coupons that are in the September P&G. All is $5.99. I do know we have those dollar off coupons. So if you guys need some all school supplies should be going on clearance. I think this is the last and final week for all this stuff going on for sale. But I'm hoping to do some really good couponing at Walgreens with all the back to school items. Vitamins, buy one get one free, buy one get one free. So we got a lot of buy one get one free. Here we got some vitamins, buy one get one 50% off. Not much, it's just kind of a slow week, you guys. I don't know why. Just very sad to coupon at Walgreens lately, in my opinion. Now we're on the they got Dove and Degree. Those are $4.99. Now I do know we have some $1.75 off coupons, and I can't remember what we have for Dove on coupons.com. Plus we received some in some inserts. You get 3,000 points if you guys spend over 12. So if you guys were interested in that kind of a deal. I thought I saw a deal on here, but I didn't. Body wash, buy one get one 50% off. You get 3,000 points when you guys spend $12 or more. Razors, razors and Old Spice and Gillette and Secret. Buy one get one 50% off. You spend 15, you get 3,000 points. Here they got the Crest toothpaste, toothbrushes, and mouthwash. $3.99. We'll have that dollar off coupon, making them $2.99. But then you guys get a $6 register reward when you guys buy 4. Now I'm hoping those coupons clip to your card, because I kept trying and trying and it would not work. And here is the last and final page of the Walgreens ad. Not much going on. The Blue Diamond is buy one get one 50% off. I do know there's some coupons for that, but you can only use 1 coupon per transaction. Arm & Hammer is buy one get one free. Sun laundry detergent is buy one get one free. So yes, I'm sorry it's like almost 10 o'clock at night right now, but that is what is going on. You guys can go to the Walgreens website yourself and check out deals, but I just feel like the deals are kind of slow this week, but I'm hoping after this week they get better. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe channel or subscribe button. I cannot think straight today. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.